Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to IP ban someone on Discord. So first is that Discord is when you ban someone, basically it is already an IP ban. So if you ban anyone on your server, it blocks them from joining your server again unless you revoke that particular person with the ban. And basically, if someone is IP banned, if they're using the same internet connection or their same IP, and even if they make new accounts but still have the same IP, it will not work. Even if they join your server again with a new account but with the same IP, it will not work. They still cannot join your server since they are IP banned. Ways to go through that is use a VPN, but you could try it yourself if it will work for you. So for this, guys, I'm going to show you how to ban someone from your server. So if you want to ban someone from your server, you could just go to the members list here. Of course, you need admin rights to do this, or if you're the server owner. If you want to remove someone, you could just click on that person. You'd also ban a bot if you'd like. So you could just click on this or this and click on ban, just like so. Ban, and here's the reason for ban. You could pick that, whatever you want. Suspicious or spam, compromise or hack, breaking of server rules, and there's another option here. And you could delete the message history up to the previous 7 days if you'd like. And to ban that person, just click on this ban button right here. As you can see, they are gone from the server. The bot is gone. And if you want to revoke it, just go here, server settings right here. And under moderation, moderation section, you'll see the bans option here. Click on that. And if you want to revoke it, just click on revoke ban here. And as you can see, they're still not on the server, but they are not banned. So you could just add that particular bot or person again or invite them. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.